Ito ma.
you will show. Doon ka punta ka rin.
Ito, ano na to? Nakatambak na to, ma'am. Sira na yan. So, sinat-nat, kasi sabi ko sayang naman, bakit hindi pinabayaan ang tagal na nito. Natatang ko na ito bago pa na. Pagdating ko dito sa office, and then, na-restore ito ni Nat. Paano mo nga ito na-restore?
Isa-isa ko na buuhin. Kasi yung iba natanggal na talaga. Pinagtisan ko talaga para maano pa rin siya, magamit pa rin siya, ma-display pa rin.
Saka ito hindi kasi ito pinapansin, nasa second floor ito. Sa madilim. So sabi ko, kailangan bigyan siya ng prominent place. Sabi siya ni Rizal. Kasi nga sa Rizal is a global.
National Global Hero.
National global hero. Yan. Ganun siya ni Rizal. Ganun siya, ma'am. Wala, ano lang. Ang kung paano ko yung tawag dito ba yung display, wala lang siyang parang nagugulat na rin kasi natin kasi pa iba-iba. Minsan nandito, wala lang. Minsan na ano namin na lipat-lipat. Ano lang. Itong stone na to, yan, memorable din itong stone. Ito galing dito sa Negros. Ginawa din ito ni Nat na.
And then, Nat, you were telling me that you're very grateful to our regional director, Trabella, because he was the one that inspired the artists. I mean, there are artists who already gave up, but he inspired them, isn't it? To continue the work of art, like you also, please.
Opo. Bali may artist po na nawalan na ng gana na mag-art. Tapos, tumangkilik si RD sa mga art niya. Kaya, isa ito sa mga art niya. Tumangkilik si RD sa art. Kaya hanggang ngayon, bumalik siya sa pagka-art.
That one, no?
Opo.
Imagine, beautiful, ha? It's a beautiful work of art.
Ayan, ma'am, amuma sa barangay. Amuma sa barangay is care. So, tapos, alam mo naman, kasi nga naikapizal ako, so sili sa katabi ko. Kasi, may story yan. So, pero ano na yan, sabi na dapat ang emphasize dyan ay yung care ba? Caring.
Yeah.
Kasi sa muma sa barangay. And then ito sinat natin. Tumukha niya. Kaya lahat dito ng ating work, kalimitan sa mga art object na dito sabi niya, parang associated sa kanya. Si Nat-Nat daw.
You are all immortalized, in other words.
Kamukha daw ni Nat-Nat din din.
Yeah. You know what you have done really is to, what I'm saying, I've been lecturing as you are restoring the heart and soul. I mean, putting arts and culture at the heart of a social, national, economic, political life. It's not just something like, just for show, a rich millionaire, a rich collector. No, but as our beloved regional director Travella keeps saying, the overflowing gratitude that prompted and inspired these givers. And that gratitude is really a grace from God, because gratitude is always associated with praise. Because when you are grateful, you are grateful to your Creator, the source of life, the source of gifts, the source of so many graces and blessings. And that's why, as our regional director Travella said, when he sits in that table to make decision, before deciding, or somehow, you cannot but feel the presence, the guidance. As he said, he believes in spiritual leadership. And that is what is our message. And I know that with the new Secretary John Vic Remulla, I've also known him as a vice governor. He lighted the Katipunan Eternal Flame. And I know that this is the harvesting time, that henceforth, every local government will be dedicated to the spiritual leadership of Dr. Rizal Rizal and Supremo Andres Bonifacio and Emilio Aguinaldo, because these three, as father of the nation, father of the revolution, father of the Philippine Republic, they will begin to be seen as leaders now, that somehow the leaders that believe in the so-called spiritual leadership. Because when you see a statue of Dr. Jose Rizal in every local government, may the people see that our leaders live their sacred ideals, their spiritual ideals. And remember, the first secretary of the Department of the Interior local government is Supremo Andres Bonifacio. I think we can all clap and rejoice now. And may our viewers, beginning today, may their United Nations Day experience and celebration be marked by this tribute to our ancestor saints and heroes, to our God of history, God of prophecy, the God's merciful love. You know, this is a living, how do I call it? It is a very humble room, but for me, all the living sacred ancestral memories, all the global, no, the international that marks our Dr. Jose Rizal and Dr. Ferdinand Blumentritt. So, I am grateful to the artist Renato Rodriguez, whom I call my Saint Michael, ever guiding me. The good Director Travella gives you as my guide. And of course, our dear new secretary, John B. Cremulia. We rejoice because I personally, as the researcher, I'm very grateful that I have experienced the leadership for so many years of our Regional Director Travella, who is also a member of our Rizal Blumentritt Pamatalaan Academy. And with a leader like him, the Philippine local government has an example to follow. I tell you, he's very unassuming, very humble, but somehow the leadership that is shown by Regional Director Travella is for me the living proof. So I speak now not in the abstract, but because I know that people who visited here have told him, I will bring my student, I will bring some colleagues, because they experience something here. And so, my dear viewers, national and global, experience the graces, the overflowing graces. You may not yet experience it, but I tell you, beginning today, you are part of the national global network of the overflowing graces in our history and prophecy. And as I keep telling our Regional Director Travella, what did we say? Together, the three of us, we will say, we are
We are
the creators
yes, co-creator,
of history.
creator of history, and not a reader.
We will not be mere leaders or readers. We do not read what the past. We build on what the others have done in the past.
Correct.
But we will contribute our own to be read by the present and the future generations.